Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to effectively add titles in Davinci Resolve. Open the FX library. Select Titles. Go to the Title section. Drag this title to your timeline viewer. Now let's customize your title. Open the Inspector panel. Make sure you're in the Video section. Edit your title text. Adjust font, boldness, color size, tracking to your liking. For Fusion titles, explore additional options like line controls, line thickness, type color. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and like a video.